There is something sitting in your kitchen right now, something you probably eat every single day, that leading neurologists are calling one of the most dangerous threats to your brain after the age of 65. And the truly frightening part? It's not alcohol, it's not fast food, it's something that's been marketed to you your entire life as perfectly safe. In fact, you may have been told it's actually good for you. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, why it's destroying your memory, and, more importantly, what you can eat instead to start protecting and rebuilding your brain health starting today. Stay with me until the end, because in the final 5 minutes, I'm going to share 4 specific foods that neurologists say can actually reverse early memory decline. You don't want to miss those. Before I share what this food is, I want to give you a clear picture of what's actually happening inside the aging brain, because once you understand the biology, everything else will make perfect sense. After the age of 65, your brain undergoes significant changes. Neurons, the cells responsible for memory, reasoning, and cognition, begin to communicate more slowly. The hippocampus, which is the brain's primary memory center, begins to shrink at a rate of roughly 1 to 2% per year. Blood flow to the brain decreases, and the brain's ability to clear out toxic waste products, including a protein called amyloid beta, which is directly linked to Alzheimer's disease, becomes significantly less efficient. Now here's what's critical to understand. A landmark 2022 study published in the journal Nature Aging followed over 180,000 adults aged 60 and over for more than a decade. The researchers found that dietary patterns had a more significant impact on cognitive decline than almost any other lifestyle factor they measured, including exercise, sleep, and social connection. What you eat is not a minor detail when it comes to your brain health after 65. It is one of the most powerful variables you can actually control. And one particular category of food stood out in the research as consistently accelerating cognitive decline, far more than any other. Let's talk about what it is. The number one food category that neurologists are most concerned about for seniors over 65 is ultra-processed food, specifically food products that contain high levels of added refined sugar combined with industrial seed oils and artificial additives. Now, before you switch off thinking you already know this, hear me out. Because this is not just a general junk food is bad warning. The research is far more specific and far more alarming than most people realize. A 2022 study published in JAMA Neurology, one of the most respected neurology journals in the world, analyzed the dietary habits of over 10,000 adults and found that people who consumed the highest amounts of ultra-processed foods had a 28% faster rate of global cognitive decline compared to those who ate the least. 28%. That is not a small number. That is the difference between aging gracefully and losing your independence years before you need to. But here's where it gets even more specific. Within the ultra-processed category, there is one type of product that appeared most consistently in the data. Researchers found it in multiple independent studies across 3 different continents, and it is something that millions of seniors consume every single morning without a second thought. It is commercially produced white bread and refined grain products, including many breakfast cereals, packaged crackers, white rice crackers, and flavored instant oatmeal packets. Not whole grain bread, not oats you cook yourself, the packaged, processed, shelf-stable versions that have had nearly all of their nutritional value stripped out and replaced with sugar, preservatives, and flavor additives. Let me explain exactly why these products are so harmful to the aging brain. There are 3 specific mechanisms through which refined grain products and ultra-processed foods damage the aging brain. Understanding these 3 pathways is important because it explains not just why these foods are harmful, but exactly what kind of damage they cause. Mechanism number 1, blood sugar spikes and neuroinflammation. Refined carbohydrates, including white bread, many breakfast cereals, and flavored instant oatmeal, are digested extremely rapidly, causing sharp spikes in blood sugar. In a younger person, the body manages these spikes relatively well, but after 65, insulin sensitivity decreases significantly, meaning the blood sugar stays elevated for longer. Chronically elevated blood sugar triggers inflammation throughout the body, including in the brain. This neuroinflammation is one of the primary drivers of the cellular damage seen in Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. A 2019 study published in the journal Diabetologia found that seniors with regularly elevated blood sugar levels had significantly higher rates of hippocampal atrophy, meaning the memory center of their brain was physically shrinking faster than those with stable blood sugar. Mechanism number 2. Disruption of the gut-brain axis. In the last decade, neuroscience has made a remarkable discovery. Your gut and your brain are in constant direct communication through what researchers call the gut-brain axis. The trillions of bacteria living in your gut directly influence the production of neurotransmitters, including serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, all of which play critical roles in memory and cognitive function. Ultra-processed foods destroy the diversity of beneficial gut bacteria, replacing a rich ecosystem with a narrow range of bacteria that promote inflammation. A 2021 study in Nature Reviews Neuroscience found a direct correlation between gut microbiome diversity and cognitive performance in adults over 60. The seniors with the poorest gut microbiome diversity performed significantly worse on memory and executive function tests. Mechanism number 3. Advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. When refined sugars are processed at high heat, as they are in the manufacturing of crackers, cereals, and packaged bread products, they form compounds called advanced glycation end products. AGEs are particularly damaging to brain tissue. They cross-link with proteins in the brain, interfering with normal cellular function and accelerating the accumulation of amyloid plaques, the hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. A 2020 study from Columbia University found that seniors who consumed the highest levels of dietary AGEs showed significantly greater amyloid accumulation in PET brain scans compared to those who consumed the least. 3 mechanisms, 3 different pathways, all leading to the same destination: faster cognitive decline. Now, let's talk about what you can do about it. Now, I want to pause here for a moment because I know this information can feel overwhelming. If you've been eating these foods for years, you might be wondering whether the damage is already done. Here is what I want you to hear clearly. The brain is remarkably adaptable. Research published in the journal Cell in 2023 confirmed that the adult brain, even well into its 70s and 80s, retains significant neuroplasticity. The damage caused by poor dietary choices is not necessarily permanent, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to share the 4 foods that the research says can actually start repairing that damage. But first, let me tell you exactly which specific products to look for on your grocery store shelf, so you know precisely what to avoid. When you're reading food labels, here are the specific red flags that indicate a product falls into the high-risk category for brain health. Red flag number 1. Any product where one of the first 3 ingredients is enriched wheat flour, white flour, or refined flour. The word enriched sounds healthy. It is not. It means the natural nutrients were stripped out during processing and a handful of synthetic vitamins were added back in. The structural integrity and fiber that protect your blood sugar are gone. Red flag number 2. Added sugar appearing under any of its 56 different names, including high fructose corn syrup, maltose, dextrose, glucose syrup, and cane juice. If you see more than one of these in an ingredient list, the product is designed to spike your blood sugar and keep you coming back for more. Red flag number 3. Industrial seed oils as a primary ingredient, including soybean oil, sunflower oil, corn oil, and canola oil. These oils are highly susceptible to oxidation, and oxidized fats are directly inflammatory to brain tissue. Red flag number 4. A total fiber content below 2 grams per serving. Fiber is your primary defense against blood sugar spikes. Any processed grain product with less than 2 grams of fiber per serving will send your blood sugar surging, regardless of how whole grain it claims to be on the front of the package. Now, here are the 4 foods the research says you should be eating instead. These 4 foods are not exotic superfoods you need to order online. They are available in every supermarket. they are affordable, and the research supporting their brain protective effects is among the strongest in nutritional neuroscience. Brain food number 1. Fatty fish, specifically salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are the richest dietary source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid. DHA makes up approximately 40% of the polyunsaturated fatty acids in your brain. It is structurally essential for the integrity of neuron cell membranes. A landmark study from the Rush University Medical Center, part of the famous MIND diet research, found that seniors who ate fatty fish at least once per week had brains that functioned as if they were 10 years younger than those who rarely ate fish. Not 10 months, 10 years. If you eat nothing else on this list, make it fatty fish at least twice a week. Brain food number 2, blueberries and other dark berries including blackberries and strawberries. Blueberries contain some of the highest concentrations of flavonoids, specifically anthocyanins, of any food on Earth. Anthocyanins cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate directly in the hippocampus, where they reduce oxidative stress, improve neuronal signaling, and have been shown to directly increase the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is essentially a growth hormone for brain cells. It stimulates the formation of new neural connections and protects existing neurons from damage. A 2020 randomized controlled trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed a daily blueberry supplement, equivalent to 1 cup of fresh blueberries, showed significant improvements in memory and executive function compared to placebo after just 16 weeks. 1 cup of blueberries a day. That is an extraordinarily accessible intervention. Brain food number 3. Extra virgin olive oil, specifically cold-pressed, high-quality olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, the dietary pattern most consistently associated with reduced risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease in the published literature. The mechanism is primarily attributed to a compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown in research from the University of Louisiana to actually enhance the brain's ability to clear amyloid plaques, the toxic protein accumulations central to Alzheimer's pathology. A 2022 study following over 90,000 Americans for nearly 30 years found that those who consumed more than half a tablespoon of olive oil daily had a 28% lower risk of dying from neurodegenerative disease compared to those who rarely consumed it. Use it as your primary cooking oil. Drizzle it over vegetables, add it to salads, make it a daily habit. Brain food number 4, leafy green vegetables, particularly spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. The MIND diet study from Rush University, one of the most significant dietary studies of brain aging ever conducted, found that eating leafy green vegetables at least 6 times per week was associated with a cognitive age that was 11 years younger than those who rarely ate greens. The key nutrients are vitamin K1, folate, lutein, and beta-carotene, all of which have specific protective functions in the aging brain. Vitamin K1 in particular has been shown to directly inhibit neuroinflammation, and a number of studies have found that seniors with the highest blood levels of vitamin K have significantly lower rates of dementia. A simple daily salad of leafy greens dressed with extra virgin olive oil combines 2 of the 4 most powerful brain protective foods in a single meal that takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. Before I wrap up today, I want to be completely transparent with you. Everything I've shared in this video is based on published, peer-reviewed research from sources including JAMA Neurology, Nature Aging, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, and the Rush University MIND diet studies. I have linked the key studies in the description below so you can read them yourself. However, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice, and it is not a substitute for speaking with your doctor or a registered dietitian who knows your specific health history, medications, and conditions. Some of the foods discussed, particularly fatty fish and leafy greens, may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners. Please speak with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Let me bring everything together for you. Today we covered the #1 food category that neurologists say is accelerating memory decline in people over 65, ultra-processed refined grain products, including commercial white bread, many breakfast cereals, packaged crackers, and flavored instant oatmeal. We looked at the 3 specific biological mechanisms that make these foods so harmful to the aging brain: neuroinflammation from blood sugar spikes, destruction of the gut-brain axis, and the accumulation of advanced glycation end products. And we covered the 4 foods the research says can actually protect and begin to repair your brain: fatty fish at least twice a week, 1 cup of blueberries daily, extra virgin olive oil as your primary oil, and leafy green vegetables at least 6 times per week. These are not dramatic lifestyle overhauls. They are small, consistent changes that compound over time into meaningful protection for your brain. The research is clear. What you eat after 65 has a direct, measurable impact on how your brain ages. You have more control over this than you may have been led to believe. If this video was useful to you today, I have one small request. Hit the subscribe button. Every single week I publish new, research-backed information specifically for people over 60, covering the things that actually matter for your health, your independence, and your quality of life. No filler, no generic advice, just the science, explained clearly. Next week, we are covering something that affects nearly half of all adults over 60 but is almost never discussed openly. Why so many seniors wake up at 3 a.m. every single night, what is actually causing it biologically, and the specific steps that sleep medicine doctors recommend to fix it for good. That video goes live next week, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Until then, take care of your brain. It has carried you this far. It deserves your attention now.